Okay, so just filming. Come on, stop dancing. We're gonna. Hello.
Friends!
Oh, hello friends. This is Vijay and she's Jasmine, and we're here to cook some Dal Makhani today. And Jasmine going to help me to making Dal Makhani. And as you know, Dal Makhani is one of the popular dish in India. You can find in most of the restaurant and the dhabas. And Jasmine going to help me. Oh, she's hiding behind me. But anyways, we're gonna start cooking this recipe. And for this recipe, so here we go. We got 250 gram of Urad dal. I soaked up overnight, and I've got 100 gram red kidney beans, which I soaked up whole night. And I've got 4 tomatoes. Yes, we got 4 tomatoes, which I chopped them. And I've got 1 large onion, roughly chopped. And I've got some coriander and 2 green chillies chopped. We got some of the garlic. We just chopped them. About a tablespoon, and the tablespoon of ginger, we chopped it as well. And we got some of this butter, which is around 100 gram. Half a teaspoon of garam masala and some salt. And we got this 1 tablespoon each coriander and cumin powder. And we got some of this half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of chilli powder. And some cream to go with this dish. So, okay, Jasmine, what we're gonna do, we're gonna put this dal and the red kidney beans in the pressure cooker, and then we're gonna cook in the pressure cooker first. Okay? Alright. Gonna help? So we're going to add some salt in this pressure cooker. Yep, go for it. A little bit more.
Now we mix it.
Okay, yep. Now we're mixing this salt. Now we're gonna put on the flame. So gonna close the lid. Yeah.
Second goes the flame.
Okay, I'll help you to close the lid.
And the flame is flat.
Now we're gonna put on the flame now. And you can cook this dal according to your pressure cooker instruction. So we're gonna wait until this dal cooks. Alright, Jasmine, get up now. Alright, so guys, the dal has been cooked. So we're going to put this away. And now we're going to make all the masalas for the dal. Put all the delicious flavor in the dal. Jasmine, so we're going to put butter in the pan. Do you want to put the butter? Yep. Do you want to put it in? Okay, just go for it. Okay.
Okay, now my mother always tells me we need a mix and it's proper.
Okay.
So let's mix it.
Now the butter is melted and it heated up, so we're going to add some onions in it. There you go. Let me add some onions. You can start after that. Okay.
Now let the onion mix with the butter for a little while.
Yes. Okay, so alright.
Okay, your mom might say add this first, and then this.
Okay, so what she's saying, we're going to add some ginger and garlic.
First.
First we're adding the ginger. Okay, Jasmine, you want to add the ginger? Garlic.
Finish the ginger, now you add the garlic.
Okay, yeah, that's it.
This, you need to be smooth edges swirling, like this, slow.
So we're going to cook this ginger garlic for 5 minutes, and then we're going to add some tomato in it.
Here's the tomato bowl. Be careful how much you add.
Yeah, so we're going to use 4 tomatoes chopped one. We're going to add in it and add all the rest of the masalas in it. Is that right, Jasmine?
Yes.
Okay. Alright guys, so we are going to add tomatoes now. Okay, you want to add tomatoes? All of it? Oh, easy. Okay, I'll get it. Alright.
Okay, now we're ready to do this masala.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep. So we're going to add some masalas now. So do you want to put all the masalas? So you want me to show them? Okay, so we're going to add some
Salt
garam masala
and
the
salt.
salt. Okay, yep. And then we are going to add some chili powder and turmeric powder. Yep. And we're going to add some cumin seed powder and coriander seed powder. Alright, put it on. Alright.
Now I'm gonna stir.
Okay, yep.
Mix it one side, mix it the other, mix it this side, mix it this side, mix it all together.
We're going to add the rest of the ingredient, which is some of the coriander, fresh coriander and chili, fresh chili. Yeah?
That's all.
And you're gonna stir it again. Okay.
Little time by little time.
Yeah.
Now be patient.
Be patient, yeah, be patient.
Always have to be patient.
Yeah. Okay, Jasmine, so now we're going to cover this and cook for 10 minutes on low heat.
10 minutes.
Yes,
I'll repeat it again. 10 minutes.
Okay, there we go.
That was 25, now 10.
10 minutes, yep.
Okay, we're done.
Okay, Jasmine, so are we done?
Oh,
Okay.
I didn't say we're done, okay?
Okay, so this is cooking for last 10 minutes.
Yeah.
So what we're going to do, we're going to puree this whole mixture in a blender.
You gotta scoop and put it in.
Yeah.
Scoop, put it in. Scoop, put it in.
Put it in
You
here.
can do that.
Okay.
It smells delicious if you follow instructions.
Right. Smells good, isn't it? Wow, it smells really nice. So we're gonna put it back on the heat.
Yes. Little off.
It is filling. Come on, stop dancing. We're gonna add the dal now. So we're going to add the cooked dal in this mixture now. Okay, Jasmine. So we're going to cover and cook this
Cover,
for
cook,
half an hour.
half an hour.
Okay, so you
Let's
got
put
it?
the time on half an hour.
Half an hour. We're going to simmer this now. It's cooking the dal. Oh, it's here.
We're doing the cream now.
Yeah, and the dal I think cooking for last 30 minutes. I think it's ready now. So let's check it out. Ooh. Oh, this is already looking good. This dal. It looks so delicious.
Yum, yum, it's
Okay,
yum,
so
cream.
yeah,
Black and gold.
yeah. So we're going to add some cream in this dish now.
Yum, yum. Cream.
Okay. Around 50 ml of cream we're going to add.
You listen carefully.
Yes, listen
If the-
carefully. 30, 50 ml, not 30. Yeah.
If you're on the computer, iPad, whatever,
Yeah.
turn the volume up.
Yeah.
If it's all you can go up to, listen carefully.
Carefully. 50 ml of thickened cream.
Yes.
Yeah. And then we're gonna cook for another 5 minutes.
5 minutes. Let's put on the timer.
Yeah. You're gonna put on
On
the
your
timer.
phone. Okay.
Alright.
Put on the timer.
So we're going to cook another 5 minutes on a simmer, and then
5
we're gonna
minutes.
serve.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, whatever you're on, a computer, a phone, a tablet, whatever.
Yeah.
Tablet. You need to put on the timer.
Yes, you need to put a timer, and
Timer 5
you wanna
minutes.
say something to people?
Wait. Timer 5 minutes.
Okay, so Jasmine gone to put the timer on. We're gonna cook this dal for 5 more minutes, and then we're gonna serve. So meanwhile, you just guys go ahead and subscribe my channel, and please press the bell icon so you can get all the weekly notifications right on your phone.
Okay.
Oh,
It's
is it done?
ready.
Wow, that looks delicious.
Yep.
So
And it
there we
has
go,
a
guys.
veggie pot,
Our
so-
dal is ready.
Yep.
And if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.
Bye.
Bye.